high performance liquid chromatography. High performance liquid chromatography. You can say this as a HPLC, or you can say high pressure liquid chromatography. Okay, so here we are separating the component from any solution. Okay, with the help of pressure. And that pressure is applied on the column in which we are going to separate all the components from any solution, okay, or a mixture. See, as we know that in most of the technique or all the technique of separation are there. So in the chromatography especially, one is a stationary phase and other is a mobile phase. One is stationary phase, other is a mobile phase. So stationary phase usually carries the sample and mobile phase is flowing on the stationary phase. Okay, so the separated component are eluted by the mobile phase. Components are eluted with the help of mobile phase because it carries component along with it. Okay, as they come out of the column, they are defected and detected and estimated by the detector. Okay, placed just next to the column. Okay, so we'll see that in the diagram later on. In the instrumentation, you will get clear over there. So liquid chromatographic method. It is a liquid chromatographic method. What is liquid chromatographic? It's a stationary phase is also liquid and mobile phase is also liquid. So the mechanism of separation is a partition. As both the phases are liquid, therefore the mechanism of separation is a partition and not the adsorption. Okay. So the liquid stationary phase is supported on inert solid support. That liquid stationary phase is supported on inert solid support. जसे एखाद्या भिंतीला आपण कलर देतो तसं समजा की हा कलर सारखा त्या ठिकाणी त्या स्टेशनरी फेज वरती तो त्या ठिकाणी जो हा स्टेशनरी फेज आहे तो सॉलिड सपोर्ट वरती दिलेला आहे. Okay, so movement of one liquid phase over the another occur only under the pressure. Okay, and for that purpose we are using pressure over here. So for the separation, high pressure is required over here. Okay, so even if we apply high pressure, maximum flow rate is only 2 ml per minute. एका मिनिटामध्ये किती सॉल्व्हेंट रन होतंय त्या ठिकाणी 2 ml सॉल्व्हेंट रन होत आहे. ओके, सो high pressure liquid chromatography is one of the most versatile technique of analysis because it is used for the separation, then detection, okay, then identification, characterization and estimation of different components from the sample. Again, this technique is highly selective, sensitive, reproducible and applicable. So anything and everything under the sun can be determined with the help of HPLC technique. Hence the name is high performance liquid chromatography. Okay, so it is used for the analysis of sample. Especially it is used for the analysis of sample. So the liquid stationary phase is a non-polar. Here liquid stationary phase is a non-polar inert organic liquid. Non-polar inert organic liquid, and mobile phase is a polar liquid. Then the technique is called reverse phase chromatography. Okay, in the normal phase chromatography situation is reverse. So stationary phase is a polar, and mobile phase is a non-polar in normal chromatography. And here in this case it's different. So however, in most of the separation, the reverse phase chromatography is used. The separation and the analysis is carried out at the room temperature. So what is the principle of this technique? So the principle of separation in the normal phase mode and reverse phase mode is adsorption. Okay, when a mixture of components are introduced into the HPLC column, they travel according to their relative affinity towards the stationary phase. ज्या components attraction stationary phase कडे जास्त असणार आहे है ना, तो कंपोनंट त्या स्टेशनरी फेजला चिटकून राहील आणि ज्याचं काम अट्रॅक्शन कमी असेल स्टेशनरी फेजकडे तो कोणाकडे जाणार आहे, मोबाईल फेज मध्ये तो पुढे निघून जाईल. कारण स्टेशनरी फेज वरतून मोबाईल फेज जो आहे तो फ्लो होतोय, बरोबर ना. मोठा दगड आहे आणि झाडाची पानं आहे, तर एखादं पाणी त्या ठिकाणी वाहत आहे नदीचं, तर दगड जो आहे तो काय होणार आहे, खाली सेटल होणार आहे, झाडाची पानं पाण्याबरोबर वाहून जातील. तसं ज्याची अफिनिटी स्टेशनरी फेजकडे आहे तो स्टेशनरी फेजला बाइंड होईल आणि जे ऑर्गॅनिक फेज किंवा जो मोबाईल फेज जो आहे तुमचा, ते ज्याची अफिनिटी मोबाईल फेजकडे असेल ते त्याच्याबरोबर किंवा ते पुढे जातील. ओके, द कंपोनेंट विच हॅज मोर अफिनिटी टुवर्ड्स द ऍडसॉर्बेंट दे ट्रॅव्हल्स विथ द स्लोअर रेट. The component which have more affinity towards the adsorbent or stationary phase, they travels with the slower rate. So component which has a less affinity towards the stationary phase, they travels with the faster rate. Okay, since no two components have the same affinity towards the stationary phase, the components are easily separated. The components are easily separated. This is what the basic principle of HPLC. म्हणजे ज्याचा अफिनिटी स्टेशनरी फेजकडे असेल तो हळू ट्रॅव्हल होईल कॉलम मधून, आणि ज्याची अफिनिटी मोबाईल फेजकडे असेल तो फास्ट त्या ठिकाणी तो ट्रॅव्हल होईल कॉलम मधून. ओके, दिस इज व्हॉट द बेसिक प्रिन्सिपल. सो व्हॉट इज इंस्ट्रुमेंटेशन? What is instrumentation? Before going through this matter which is present on the slide, okay, so we'll see first over here in the next slide. Okay, see, this is what the flow diagram of HPLC instrumentation. To understand any instrumentation, it is important to clear the diagram of that instrumentation. Okay, once you get clear with the idea or the whatever things are happening in the diagram, so rest of the things become easier for you to understand. Okay, see now what are the things over here. So solvent reservoir 1, this is याच्यामध्ये सॉल्व्हेंट भरलेले आहेत. सॉल्व्हेंट रिझर्वायर 2, तुम्ही एकच सॉल्व्हेंट पास करा किंवा दोन पास करा, पण जे सॉल्व्हेंट आहे ते डी गॅसर मधून पास करतात. म्हणजे सॉल्व्हेंट मध्ये जर काही ऑक्सिजन, CO2 वगैरे गॅसेस असतील ते काढून घ्यावे लागतात आणि ते या ठिकाणी मिक्स करायचे आहे. दोन सॉल्व्हेंट जर सेपरेशन साठी वापरले तर वी आर मिक्सिंग हियर and they are passed with the high pressure pump and that goes to the pre-column आणि analytical column चे जे component आहे ते almost सेम असतात, पण काय आहे की याच्यामध्ये फिल्टर होतात. सगळे जे तुमचे सॉल्व्हेंट आहे ते फिल्टर होतात. जर काही इम्प्युरिटीज असतील तर त्या याच्यात फिल्टर होतात आणि हा त्या ठिकाणी तुमचा सॉल्व्हेंट पास होतो, सॉल्व्हेंट मिक्सचर किंवा सॉल्व्हेंट. ओके, सो दिस इज अ फ्लो स्प्लिटर. आता या ठिकाणी सॉल्व्हेंट तुमचं इकडे जाणार आहे. कुठून जाणार आहे? ह्या सॉल्व्हेंट मध्ये तुम्ही काय करताय, इथून इंजेक्शनच्या हेल्पने काय करताय, सॅम्पल इंजेक्ट करताय. कशामध्ये? द व्हॉट एव्हर सॉल्व्हेंट इज कमिंग टू द इंजेक्शन पोर्ट अँड दॅट गोज टू द मेन कॉलम, दॅट इज एनालिटिकल कॉलम. Okay, and what is a flow splitter? It is connected to the over here. See, differential detector. This is a connection for getting the better separation and all to manage whole system. Okay, so here the actual components comes along with your solvent, okay, or mixture of solvent. Now what happens here? This is the stationary phase placed over here. The stationary phase is what? The stationary phase is a liquid which is impregnated on the inert solid support. So all the components will pass through this column. This column is called analytical column. Now they start to get separate over here. Whatever components, समजा याच्यामध्ये 3 components असतील तर ते काय होतील, सेपरेट होतील, त्यांचे बँड तयार होतील. ओके, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड. And what happens? The component which is having more affinity towards stationary phase, that will be the lagging behind. Component which has a less affinity, less attraction towards the stationary phase, that is travel with the faster rate, and that will come out with the faster rate. That will goes to the detector. जे अगोदर आपण वाचलं होतं ना, the column, the detection is made when the component come out of the column. Okay, the detector is placed just in front of the column. Okay, so over there detection take place, and whatever remains over there, that goes to the waste. Okay, or that goes to the fraction collector. Okay, over there you can collect the components also. So this is how whole thing is going on. है ना? पुन्हा मी एक्सप्लेन करतोय तुम्हाला. सॉल्व्हंट रिझर्वायर मधून सॉल्व्हंट जे आहेत ते जाणार आहेत डी गॅसर मध्ये, त्यातले गॅस रिमूव्ह करतात, गॅस इम्प्युरिटी, ते सॉल्व्हंट इथे मिक्स होतात मिक्सर मध्ये, प्रेशरने ते त्या ठिकाणी सॉल्व्हंट पास होतात, ते प्री कॉलम मध्ये जातात. प्री कॉलम मध्ये घालण्याचं कारण असं की तिथं ते फिल्टर होतात आणि सॅच्युरेट होतात या सिस्टमला, कारण ह्या कॉलमची आणि ह्या कॉलमचे दोघांचे कॉम्पोनंट कसे आहेत, सेम आहेत. ओके, नाव दॅट गोज टू द फ्लो स्प्लिटर. ओके, फ्लो मेंटेन करायचा आहे तो इथे मेंटेन करतो आपण की किती प्रेशरने त्या ठिकाणी आपण त्या सॉल्व्हंटला पास करणार आहोत, कशातून, ह्या पंप कॉलम मधून. ओके, हियर इट इज pressure gauge again to maintain the pressure of whatever solvent comes from the solvent reservoir, that pressure is maintained over here. Now from the sample injection port you are injecting sample into the solvents or the mixture of solvent, and they goes to the analytical column. They goes to the analytical column, or where the separation take place according to their affinity towards the stationary phase, and they comes out one by one, and over there they are detected with the help of detector, and remains are the collected. So there are now types of the column, types of detectors, and all that things are there. We'll see that one by one. So now I am again going to the previous slide so that will be more clear to you now. Okay, see now the schematic diagram is shown in figure 9 that we have already seen now, depicts the basic component of HPLC instrumentation. Okay, each one of them will be discussed so that function and working of the each component will become clear. Okay, that we have already discussed briefly. So operational procedure in the form of step is given in that diagram. So the sample is dissolved in suitable solvent, usually in the mobile phase, to be used. Okay, सॅम्पल नेहमी शक्यतो मोबाईल फेज जो आपण वापरणार आहोत त्याच्यामध्ये आपण त्या ठिकाणी काय करायचंय, हे करायचं आहे. ओके, दिस इज all for the lecture. We'll see remaining in the next lecture.